Hello, I am Mrs. M with the Gov Edge, and I know that a lot of you are looking at what's changing with the middleman, not when it comes to services, but when it comes to products. One of the things is going to be the markup. There's not going to be as much room for markups because the government is definitely looking to save money. So there's still a lot of money when it comes to the middleman, especially if you're looking at doing products. There are a lot of individuals that, even let's take computers, where they will build the computers from scratch and put everything together, and it's so lucrative. There's a lot of opportunity out there. Don't let all the changes make you feel that they're not. And this is definitely on federal level and state. We have a lot of our students that are switching over to doing the products as opposed to the services, and they're knocking it out the park. I mean, $600,000 in orders. Just make sure you have everything checked out, especially your funding, because you have to actually provide the actual whatever the product is, and then actually wait before you get paid. And the funding could take 45 to 60 days. So don't forget when what you need to have already lined up. Have your invoice factoring or your capital, but definitely have everything, all your I's dotted and T's crossed. The other thing is the changes when it comes to government contracting officers having a lot more authority and not as much paperwork. So there are going to be a lot of things they can do on the spot when it comes to awarding contracts. They're not going to be as so many rules and regulations because they're changing the FAR. That's going to benefit you. So there's so many opportunities. Do not allow all of these changes to make you think that they're not. Those are just two opportunities we're talking about. Yes, there are going to be some changes with the middleman with products, but there's going to be so many opportunities. If you'd like to learn more, I look forward to you coming to my GovCon Lunch and Learn weekly series free to talk about this and so much more. Look for the description and see you soon. Bye-bye.